Yeah.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Espanyol naman.
Simasen. Kung ano sabi mo, no, walang
No,
kakuroso.
Japanese. No Japanese.
Scotch.
Don't speak.
Scotch.
No, don't speak Japanese.
She's able to speak English, so that's why she speaks Japanese.
Chris Lawrence has... Ooh,
So loud, Mama Dong. Can you please
Guys, please help me.
lower your voice, please?
Chris Lawrence wants
Mama,
us
can you mute yourself?
speak English
My gosh,
only.
guys, you know what? I think I want
We
to
will
make
speak
this
English only.
session
Stop.
private because we don't want you to hear us.
I think they want to hear.
We shout
Oh, look,
out.
12.5.
Oh my gosh, I think I need a drink. Yeah.
I thought you need tissue.
No, not that drink.
Oh, what kind of
To
drink?
make it smooth.
Okay, I will
My
order.
tongue.
So you want to order mojito now?
Later.
Ella, it's
I think this is too early for mojito.
That's the...
So
Yeah.
that the English will be
Red
more.
them
Red
to
horse.
speak English, no
I
Tagalog.
might kick you because Red Horse says
Don't kick me
it's so
naman.
ang tama, right?
So, ang tama.
It's so ang
Yes.
tama.
He
Yeah,
will.
I might kick you
The tama is so hard.
on the face, on your face.
We will rock you.
Ay,
Ayan to, no?
Stop.
Oh, what's that you're talking about?
hey, guys,
I'm
come
sorry.
here. Hey,
Tagalog.
Mama Dong, hey,
I
this
call
is
It's
you
a punishment.
I call you.
This
When
is-
you
guys. I would like
Tagalog.
you to meet. This is Domeng. This
Hello.
is Douglas, and here we have.
This is sweet.
Dodong.
I put in my coffee.
Yeah,
My God, we will English.
that's their new name.
If there's three
The English
A's,
is...
there's
Yeah.
also
3D.
3D.
Yeah.
My goodness.